Hi guys, learn my choreo to Wanna Freak by Tazi. Let's get into it. So on 5, you're gonna start right before the drop, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna hear all the girls in the front and the boys before it drops. We're gonna be hopping to a heels cross running man on the left on girls. So weight is coming center, back foot is on my toe, front foot is on my heel, bringing that back knee up. I'm gonna come across to my heel. I'm gonna pick that heel up, and then I'm gonna step right, left. This is really important that your weight goes into your toe, right, left, because this is gonna be your prep for a left outside turn. So speeding that up, we have 5 and 6 and 7 and turning on that right foot, picking up that left over my left shoulder is going 8, throwing yourself 8, and then we're coming down on 1 and knee's gonna drive up 2, around 3, 4. And this goes, I just wanna freak get nasty. So from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2, around 3, 4. That booty little 3, 4 is on nasty, so feel free to do something nasty. I just want to freak get nasty. Then we're going to go heel left, heel right. So I'm going to be pivoting on my toe, heel left, both heels to the right, heel left, heel right, together. And then we're going to do a little ball change, stepping down, shifting my weight over to the left. So it goes heel, ball change around. Option to bring that arm up and over your head, down. From the top, 5, 6 with counts, here we go. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1. Good job, guys. Listen to the lyrics. It's going heel, girls in the front and the boys in the back seat. Then we're gonna hop, turning over the right shoulder. It's gonna go hop, hop, open on 2 and 3. So those feet are going 2 and open 3. On 3, 4, I'm gonna roll my head to the right. 3, 4 to go booty 5 and 6 and 5 and 6. And notice how my knees are going bend, straight, bend, straight. So we have in the back seat 1, 2 and 3, down 4, go 5 and 6, and we're going heel, toe, heel, toe. I just want to freak, this is nasty, all the girls in the front and the boys in the back seat. Drill from the top, starting with 5 and 6 and 7 and turn 8. I just want to knee get nasty, all the heel and ball change around to the right. I just want to freak get nasty, all the girls in the front and the boys in the back seat. Cool? Good up to there. Girls in the back seat. From here, we're going to do a scissor on the left. Watch how my weight hops together. So going onto my right toe in the back, onto my left heel in the front. Ha. Switching this is just going to jump together. Jump. And then I'm going to scoop my right foot around. And when I'm scooping that foot around, notice how I always have the micro bounce under my foot. So it's hop, hop, scoop, hop onto the left, scoop. When I bring this foot up, around, I have to invert my left foot. So notice how my toe is facing the right. And then I'm going to do 2 reverse T-steps on nasty. We're going to get nasty with it. We're going back and front and. So this goes, I just want to freak get nasty. Those hops are important. Hop, hop. I'm hopping. Hop, hop to go T-step, T-step. Cool? From booty, 7 and 8 and micro bounce. I just want to kick and nasty. We're going to go scoop, scoop. Micro bounce is really important onto that left foot. We're going scoop up, switching onto my right foot, scoop up. So I'm really, if I'm doing it in place, I'm kicking and hopping at the same time, switching, kick, hop, kick, hop, kick, hop, kick, hop. Only difference between that and what I'm doing is T-step, kicking to the left with the right foot, hop, onto the right, hop. And then I'm gonna keep that momentum of that scoop to go back and wait, down, up. And your counts are 1 and 2 and 3, 4, scoop, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1. Cool? Let's add on from nasty, all the girls in the front and the boys in the back seat, micro bounce. I just want to freak it, T-step, scoop, hop, back and down. From here, that down is going to bring you into a running man. We're almost done, last 8 count. On the right, we're going to go running man, running man. We're going to stomp and flip. So we have 2 running man from that scoop and back and down, running man, ha, 2. I want that first step to go right, arms coming up, right and back. Of that last 8 count, we just did scissor. We have scissor, scoop, and reverse T-step, back, back. We have scoop, hop, drive it back and down, and this is your running man. Running man, notice how I'm stepping into that. So this is releve, running man, step. This is a step out as I'm pulling out, and I want that flick to go to the back, and my hips are directly to the right, back. We're gonna groove 5, 6, whatever you want with your hands. Little moment, hands, hips are going right, left, and then I'm gonna plie forward. My hands are gonna go kind of to a low V. Hips, plie. This is to step onto that left foot, and I'm gonna flick to the front. So just take that, ha, boom. And it kind of like fades out in the music. It will make sense when we do it all together. And that's the end. Let's review from the last 2 8 counts and then go from the top. So we have, I just want to freak and T-step, scoop, hop, back and up, running 1, 2, step, 3, and whip, right, left, forward, and up. Cool. Ready? From the top. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 and 6 and 8. Go 1 and 2, 3, 4. Heel 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4. Booty 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2. T step scoop 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Guys, that's it. Please tag me in your videos. I love you so much. Bye.